Let's make Thanksgiving turkey with my mommy and daddy. First, we're going to cut up some onion.
Yep, so we're making a brine out of apple cider and some other ingredients.
This is an orange.
Yep, it's an orange.
Also, what's brine?
Brine is a salty, flavorful liquid that you soak turkey in.
Why do you soak turkey in brine?
Because it tenderizes the meat, it breaks down the protein, and it makes it nice and juicy.
Okay. The apples look good. Can you use red apples?
You could use red apples, but I like the green apples because I think they have a nice tart flavor.
Red apples are sweet.
Yeah, I like the tart apples better. And you don't have to peel anything. You can leave all the peels on.
Into the bucket.
Yep, into the stock pot or the bucket. That is a poultry mix of herbs.
What type of herbs? Sugar?
Nope, believe it or not, that is a whole cup of salt. And I know it sounds like a lot, but you need that. That is peppercorns, allspice,
What is this?
cloves.
Brown sugar?
That is brown sugar. And
water?
Apple cider.
Oh.
Yep.
It looks like it's bubbling.
It does look like it's bubbling, but it's apple cider, and it's just bubbling because it's getting poured. Now what?
Now we're going to mix it, mixy, 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 mixy. I can go on forever. Mixy, 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 mixy. Mixy.
Yeah, you just want everything
mixy,
get all mixied together.
Now it looks like a tornado just hit them. And now here comes the turkey. That's my daddy.
Yep, he's lifting about 20-pound turkey.
And now we're putting in more apple cider.
Yep, more apple cider. Try to fill it all the way to the top.
Can you use apple juice?
You could, yeah. And then you just push it down. You hold it down until the bubbles stop. And then you're going to cover it, and you are going to put it in the fridge and let it soak for at least 6 hours.
Oh, wow, that's long.
Up to a full day.
It looks good.
And when it is all done, it will pretty much the same.
Look like a turkey. 6 hours later.
And this
Here's
is
the
it
mixy mix.
after it's soaked. And then we take it out of the brine.
And now we're stuffing it.
Yep, and we're stuffing it with the same mixture of things that we brined it with. So a roasting blend of herbs, quartered apples, onions, garlic, oranges. All of these aromatic things will help perfume the interior of the turkey, and it lends flavor to it.
I don't know turkeys wear perfume.
No, not like that. No, it means that all of these things smell, and smell is linked to your taste buds. And then you pop it into the oven.
For how long?
15 minutes a pound at 325. And
now we're going to cut this.
And then it'll look like this.
My brother and me really love the Thanksgiving turkey.
And the full recipe is...
seasoned sprinkles.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.
Six hours later.